Hello everyone, my name is Ardiawan Rangga and I'm from 12th grade Social 2, number absent 9. I'm from 21 High School, Surabaya. For today, we are going to learn about the procedure text. Let's get started.
Okay, this is my PowerPoint and now I will show you about the procedure text and I hope you enjoy about my presentation. We have so many aspects about the procedure text, and the first one is a definition and the second is a social function, and then we have a generic structure, and the last one is a lineage features. And now this is a definition of a procedure text. Procedure text is a text that is designed to describe how something is achieved through a sequence of action or step. There are too many kinds about a procedure text, and the first one is a recipe. Recipe is a set of instructions for preparing a particular dish, including a list of ingredients required. And then we have a manual. Manual is an essay that contains a description of the procedure or operational step in doing or making something. And now we have the social function. The social function of the recipe is to tell the reader how to make something effectively and efficiently. And the social function of the manual is to explain steps or instruction to do something through sequence of steps to achieve the goal. Okay, and now we have so many kinds about the lineage feature. There are 6 many kinds about the lineage features. What is a lineage feature? Lineage feature is a kind of sentence structure or special word used in procedure text. And the first one, we have the present tense. Present tense is a subject plus verb 1 plus verb s or es. The example is, I boil a pan of water and it is ready to upload. Okay, next we have the action verb. The action verb is a stir, pat, wash, and pour. Okay, next we have the amount or number. The example is 45 gram, 1 tablespoon, and 2 teaspoon. Okay, next we have the imperative sentence. The imperative sentence is heat the pan, wash the potatoes, and put the noodle into the pan. And then we have the conjunction. Conjunction is first blah blah blah, second blah blah blah, next blah blah blah, then blah blah blah, and finally blah blah blah. And the last one is a passive. Passive is 4 green apples peeled and the 2 pandan leaves readed. Okay, so this is kind of sentence about the present tense, action verb, amount or number, imperative sentence, conjunction, and passive. Okay, next. This is an example of the procedure text of recipe. This is how to make lemon tea. Okay, and now we have the generic structure of recipe. There are 3 many generic structure, and the first one is a goal or aim. Goal or aim is a purpose of the procedure text. Goal or aim is how to make a lemon tea. Okay, next we have the ingredients. Ingredients is you needed about the how to make lemon tea. And the PowerPoint the example of ingredients is 1 tablespoon tea powder, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoon sugar, and 2 cups water. Okay, and the last one we have the steps or methods. There are so many steps about the how to make a lemon tea. And the first one, you gonna do boil the water and add the tea powder and let it simmer for about 1 hour minutes, and turn off the flame and blah 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 and many more. This is a purpose of generic structure of a recipe. And the first one is a goal or aim. It contains the purpose how to make something, and the second is ingredients. This part describes the elements we need to make something. And the last one we have the steps or methods. This part describes the set of instructions. And now this is the purpose of a recipe. And the first one, it is used to describe how something is made in sequence steps. And it provides a series of steps in sequence that explain the reader how to make something. And the last one, the communicative purpose of the text is to tell the step of making something. Okay, and now this is an example of the procedure text of manual. This is how to operate television. There are 3 main generic structure of manual, and the first one we have the goal or aim. Goal or aim is how to operate television. And the second is materials. There are many materials are the television, cable, remote, plug, antenna. Okay, next we have the steps or instruction. We have so many instructions about the how to operate television. And the first one, plug the cable television into electricity. After that, press the power button to turn on the television. Wait until the television show the picture, and blah 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 and many more. This is a purpose of a generic structure of the manual. Goal or aim. It contains the purpose of doing or operating something. And the second is materials. This part describes the tools we need to do, make or operating something. And the last one is instruction. This part describes the set of instruction. Okay, this is the purpose of a manual. The purpose of the manual is it is used to describe how something is done in sequence steps. And it provides a series of steps in sequence that explain the reader how to do something. And the last one, the communicative purpose of the text is to tell the step of doing something. Okay, and the last one, we know about the difference of procedure text of recipe and the procedure text of manual. The procedure text of recipe is how to make something. The procedure text of recipe is how to make something, especially in cooking. And then procedure text of manual is how to do or operate something in generally.
Okay, we are done. Sorry about my presentation have so many wrong words, and I hope it can be useful for all of us. And thanks for watching, and goodbye and see you.